Day 4 in Costa Rica. My wife and I have discovered not quite a river, but like a little body of water.
Tributary.
About 1,000 or so yards from our hotel. And kind of makes you think of like Murray's Lake. Little kid. Think back to when Ben was a little kid. Murray's Lake. Do you know that?
No. Anyways.
Back in Michigan. And we'll take you for a walk in the water because I want to show you how it changes depth, but also take a look at the scenery here in Costa Rica. We've got big hills over here, we've got the ocean over here, and then one thing about Costa Rica that's really cool is that everything is very, very green, very lush greenery. So here's the start of our little tributary. We're gonna go for a walk into the tributary. Another thing that's kind of cool is that there are no mosquitoes in Costa Rica. I've yet to be bitten.
I think I got one yesterday.
Brooke says she has one. Brooke has one on her leg. I see it.
Stop.
So, we're going for a walk into the river. Here is said river, and one thing that's kind of cool is that as you get deeper in the water, it gets considerably warmer. So here we go. I'm going for a little swim. You got to watch out for logs and rocks. What? Logs and rocks on the bottom, but here we go. There's a bird over there. I don't think we have those in Michigan or Virginia. And a lot of greenery. You might be able to tell it's getting a little bit deeper. And we are now at about water level here, walking around. Another thing that's been really cool about this trip is that there is nobody here. So huge kudos to Mr. Nick Martin for recommending this spot to us, because possibly we came at a season where nobody comes to visit, but we are like the only ones everywhere we go, which has been really nice. So anyways, we're continuing to walk, and here's some of the lush greenery of Costa Rica and the trees and such. And just a very lazy body of water out here. The ocean is about 500 yards that way, and it's just holy crap! Something just jumped out of the water. I don't know if you could hear that, but what? I didn't get him, but I saw him. I just saw a jumping fish. I don't know if you heard a splash in the background, but that was a jumping fish. A lot of beautiful plant life, and I know that people like my mom might be afraid of snakes and lizards and animals in the water, but honestly none here. We see big lizards walking around like the rooftop of our restaurant at the resort, but other than that, no insects, no bugs, no big fish. Very peaceful, very beautiful, very green, lush place. So, in this, currently I'm about chest deep in this water, and it's a very beautiful place. So we'll start walking back towards Brooke, and then we'll say adios. That's my beautiful bride in the distance. All right, over and out.